Hello and welcome again. This is Kifaru TV. Today's episode, we are going to do zero grazing. Just lot matters to do with farming. What do you need to do zero grazing farming? Low budget. Of course, the director will come and show you. This one of the calves that are just as heifer. It's a heifer. It's about to go for the artificial insemination. So basically, this is where the most feed the cow now. The mother cow they feed here because you have to come and show them. You have to prepare so that we put these contents so that they don't slide and whatever you know. And then this their feeding trenches. We clean them so the remains we put here. We put here on the ground to form that manure and also prevent matters to do with sliding and sledding. That's one. So this is what you need to know about zero grazing. You can have a small piece of farm and to consider doing zero grazing, and also others we have poultry farming to do with the uh, other in the farms, planting and cultivation. But today we are focusing on zero grazing. Hope you'll enjoy. Join me as we take you now where now they sleep. Here where is where the feeding and sometimes also milk here. But we do the milking inside. Yes, can come. So it's a really good business, and you can think of starting it. It's a good business that needs a lot of capital, determination, and also dedication, so that you realize a lot of production, and also you have to. It needs a lot of input. Yes, can come super director and show them where now the cows themselves, the mother cows, where they are. Yeah, we want now to milk them. Basically, now they are expecting. They're expecting in December we will be having calves, both of them. So here I'm going to show you how we are going to prepare them psychologically. This is called Asha. And then this one Eunice. So Eunice and Asha. So Eunice and Asha are my good friends. We are going to milk them and will show you the tutorial, whatever we are going to do. Let me now prepare for milking. Now that it's milk let down, you can see when it gets like that, Eunice now wants to do the milk let down. That's why you see it's now urinating. When it's urinating, it brings about the milk let down. So let me prepare and also ensure that we are going to milk them. They know, like I've just conditioned them. They know such a time we have to milk them. So let me take the things and prepare milk. Yes, now we are going to do milking. This is now Asha. Of course, you have to use warm water. Wash it clean because you are going to consume. You have to wash the udder clean with warm water. Because of course there is left down and there is dirty down. So you have to clean them and dry them properly before we milk them. Because right now they are expecting now the milk let down is a bit low, and that when a cow about to tire a young one or calf down, the milk obviously gets low. So as my Asha is ready, milk down. Asha, we're going to milk you. Yes, so basically now that's what we do here. So I'm going to take my milking jelly here, right here, and my milking Chan. So we're gonna milk new Asha. So this is how we do it. So they are good cows. They don't like whatever making to milk down. They are getting used to being milked like this way. So you don't need like to hasten or cuff them, you know. They say a cow's milk has got a lot of so many nutrients. It's mostly the mothers who have less milk, those lactating mothers, normally they are being put on diet. The nutritionist can attest that. They are put on cow's milk diet so that even when the contents whatever enough for the growing baby. There are so many benefits of milk from a cow. Protein levels, you know, cow has a lot of butter fat content. So like this Asha is a Jansi breed, while Eunice is a crossbreed of Frisian. So those who want to start zero grazing, low budget, you can DM me at 0714 123 162. 0714 123 162. I show you the tips. We started with this when they were just still heifers. How they have tired so many calves, others you have sold, other one you have sold when you've been starting the video earlier. A very good business was one thing also the manure that you get from these cows. We use them for cultivation. Very good organic manure. When you plant your maize stuff, maybe your groundnuts, your kienyeji, you realize a very bumper harvest. So it's a really good business. So as I've told you, in December we were expecting a calf, so that's reduced immensely, but hope that when he gets that calf, he's getting wow. Now we're going to do the units. Also prepare, wash, dry,